Yo, what is up, YouTube family? Well, welcome back again. It's been a long time. I mean, it's not really a long time though. It's been a week. I did not post videos. Because I have problems. But I already figured it out. So I'm glad right now in here with the new setup to make a video. Well, well, guys, shout out to warrior and weirdos in all over the world, and suggest me a lot of Aurora songs, and I do really appreciate it. It's really makes me happy, to continue my journey to explore more about Aurora. So yeah, I'm glad with that, man. So today, I will I will I will react to Aurora, of course, our queen, right? And it called Nature Boy. And this live performance, when you see Aurora live performance, it's kind of like a beautiful thing. So I'm glad that you suggest this for me. So Nature Boy, Aurora, live at Midaros Command. So guys, without further ado, just let's get jump into the song, alright? Alright. One, two, three. You ready? I'm ready.
Let's go.
There was a boy, a very strange, enchanted boy. And they say he wandered very far, very.
Sorry for passing, guys. So I guess these songs, I don't know, man. These songs, from the title itself, I'm guessing that this song will will explain about the nature, because it called the Nature Boy. But the earth, this is my opinion. I could be wrong, so just continue it. So far, I like it though. Her voice just really amazed me, like always, man.
Over land and sea, a little shy and sad of eyes was he. And then one day, a lucky day, he passed my way. Then we spoke of many things, fools and kings. This he said to me. The greatest thing you'll ever learn
that's true. I personally agree with that. That's bars in hip hop. Really, that bars like when like if you are a human as a human, like you have to be loved and you have to love and to be loved by someone so you can really have what is it like what is it called, like a meaning in your life, because if you don't feel love, then your life is fucking useless, man. I agree with that. The last couple of bars, I mean her the last verse, I agree with her. Really, I like it. I like it so far though. This is nice song. This is really really good song with the violin, violin. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm sorry. I guess violin really really match with her voice. Yeah, this is good song. Just continue right now, right?
That's
That's
it,
it,
right?
right? Okay. Well, what can I say, guys? One more time. What can I say? She really impressed me, though. I do really enjoy this live performance, just like the last video that I've been reacting in Nidaro's domain. Also, I forgot the title. It happened quite, maybe. Yeah, I guess so. So this song's really really good to hear, like when you in the night when you want to sleep, just literally you can listen to this song, like you can feel so calm, you can feel so comfy to listen to this song. And this song really has deep meaning. I thought it was about the earth, the nature, but I guess I'm wrong. This song tells about life, how to accomplish your life, how to enjoy your life, I guess. I like it. I like the lyrics in her last verse when she said, I forgot how exactly she's saying about that verse, but as a human, you have to love and to be loved by someone or to someone, so you can be happy as well, because if you don't feel love, then it's fucking useless. Love makes you happy for sure, but sometimes makes you kind of a little bit confusing, then become sad, and then I don't know. So guys, I will give it these songs 8. Yeah, I will give it this song 8 because I did really enjoy it. Like I said before, it's good orchestra, because this this instruments with her voice is just really really lit. It's really dope though. Yeah, right. So thank you guys. If you have any suggestion or if you have any critics, it's okay. You just can just let me know in the comment section below, so I will read it, of course. So if you have anything suggestion about what should I react to in my next video, just let me know in the comment section below. So thank you and peace.